So continuing from the last video, in this video I'm going to show you like how to add products in our platform. So the first thing that you do is that after you logging in, you come to this page, right? The POS or the POS page. So to add a product, first you have to go to the inventory option. All right. On the left hand side, as you can see, like there's an inventory option. So this is a place like where you can see like all of the products that you have in your store, right? Okay. So how do you add a product? Then what you do is that if you see on the upper right hand corner, upper right, 1 o'clock, you can see like there's an add new product. So you click that. Okay. Now you can see like this is the like dialog box, so where you can add a product. The first option is barcode. So regarding barcode is a like very important part of our like app and also like any ERP software. So how can you input a barcode? So there are three ways. Number one, you already have a barcode and you have a barcode scanner. So suppose like you first press this, then like you attach your barcode scanner, then you scan the barcode, then it will like automatically come. So this is one of the option. Second option, suppose the barcode is there on the product, all right, but what you don't have a barcode scanner, you can just write it down by your hand, like by typing it in. Okay. The third option of barcode is that suppose your product doesn't have a barcode. Many a times, like if you're in a shop and you have a product, it doesn't have a barcode, like you don't have a label on it. So what you can do is that you can just write it by yourself. But you have to be careful. Like if you have input a barcode, suppose I've written here like 12, but there is already a product with a barcode of 12. So the system wouldn't take your input. So you have to be careful about that. Like the system will show that you already have a product with barcode. So one of the option is that you can actually go to our web version. I have already uploaded like videos on the web version. You can like create a barcode for your product there and use that overall. Like our system actually creates a unique barcode for you so that you can use it in your software. So after the barcode, so there are mainly three ways. I want to repeat that, like this is a very important part, so I want to repeat it. First, your product has a barcode and you have a barcode scanner. You just scan it. You scan your product. All right. Second part, your product has a barcode but you don't have a scanner. Just type it in. Third, if you don't have a barcode, like you can generate one using our web platform. You cannot do it in the tablet, the app version or the like POS version, the Android version, but you can do it using our web version. So these are the main three ways to generate. And also like the other option is that you can just randomly input like any barcode. Okay, after the barcode, so suppose like let me like input a random one, I guess. Okay. After that, just put a name. Suppose I want to like input a cola. Okay. Then next part is the category. Okay. So as you can see, like there are different categories, and also like there is a thing written in like Chinese alphabets. So like this means that like it's undefined. So what you can do is that like these categories that have already been created, so you can actually use them. Like I will later show you how to create new categories. So suppose like create drinks, then suppose cold drinks. Okay, then you input the price. Okay, then you can input the cost price. Okay, like how much did you buy it for? So like I'm giving too much weird number. Let me see. Suppose it's 25. All right. Then suppose you bought it for 15. Inventory, like the how many numbers of products you have of this. Like inventory is the option. Suppose like you got a cola, right? I got a cola, but I ordered like a cartoon of colas. So like I got 20 in total. So one cartoon has suppose 20 colas and I got like 10 cartoons. So one cartoon has 10 colas and I've got 20 cartoons. So like total number of colas is 200. So this is actually the total number of items that you have bought. All right. So you can actually leave a note like this is like special offer. All right. Let's see. Okay. Then the option is like take a picture. So when you create like this, then you can write like select from album. So this is a very important point. I don't know if you noticed or not. Let me do it again. So suppose if you want to input a picture, like you want to put a picture of a product, you click the plus button. As you can see, like take photo and there's like select from album. I know like the button is not so like evident, but you have to click in the middle. Then you can see like the camera and screenshots. Okay, camera, like I took a cola. All right. So yeah, that's it. Like that's how like you can like uh, add a new product. So in the next videos, like I'm gonna show you like how to actually create categories for a product size, which will be very helpful. So thank you for listening.